name is Todd Millar. I'm the owner of Pull Caffe coffee roasters. I've been in the coffee business for over 32 years. We're in the mountains at the base of Mount St. Helens in Yacolt, Washington, so we're really far out in the middle of nowhere. The Probat behind me, built in 1896, is not only the oldest Probat coffee roaster in the world, but the oldest roaster still producing coffee in high volume. We found this coffee roaster in a barn, a farmer's barn in Serbia, and it was definitely a rescue. We felt like it was important to rescue this piece of history. This roaster has seen at least 19 US presidents, 2 world wars. It's solid cast iron and brick. It's all brick lined. I love the fact that it has so much thermal mass for that reason from a roaster standpoint. But this is really my dream roaster. So we don't know what the future is going to hold for it. It's been around for a long time. It'll be around a lot longer. It is a functioning roaster. It's not just a museum piece. And that's what I think that was important for us, is we want it to be actually something people use. And you can actually taste the history.